Hi everyone, it's Eve. A lot of you have been asking me how I make my cars in the World of Outlaws game, so I thought I would make this video for you to show you some tips and tricks on making letters and creating designs and how I customize my cars.
All right, let's get started. So one of the best ways you can customize your car is to add letters to your design. Since the game essentially limits you to 8 shapes per section on the car, it doesn't leave you with many options for creating big words or names. But with a couple of tricks, you can create larger words or words like holler that I'm doing here. To show you this, I'm going to recreate the word holler on the top wing. First, I recommend that you start on the edge so you don't run out of room towards the end of what you're doing. So in this case, I'm going to start on the right edge of the wing, which would be with the R in the word holler. From there, I'm going to work backwards. Now you'll notice that I've used all 8 shapes available and I'm not even close to completing this word. So here's where the trick comes in. I'm going to delete some of the smaller shapes and leave room for a sponsor instead. Specifically here, I'm going to use the Hoosier sponsor because that's going to work perfectly. You'll notice there's a white option and a black option. So depending on what color letters you're creating, you're going to want to choose white or black and then resize it to your desired size. I'm going to keep doing this as many times as I can, so I'm conserving the rectangle shapes for adding more of my letters. Another tip you can do is using numbers instead of a letter. So for example, instead of an I, you can use the number 1, or instead of an E or G, you could use number 6 or 9. But in this case, I'm going to use a 0 for my letter O. So I'm going to put that 0 there and then resize it down to the size that I want. And from here, I'm just going to repeat this process to finish the word, kind of fine tune each shape and all of these other elements to get the desired look that I want. So now we can take a look at the car and finish getting ready for race day.
Thanks for watching. If you have anything to add or any questions, throw them down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.